Chapter 7, Long-Term Assets. Asset Analysis. In this learning objective, we'll describe the links among return on assets, profit margin, and asset turnover. We'll be looking at Walmart and Costco. So here's some selected financial data for the two companies. Take a moment and look at them. Notice Walmart has much higher net sales, higher net income, and higher assets than Costco. In looking at these two, would you assume that Walmart is more profitable because they have net income that is larger? Well, not necessarily. Walmart is also a much larger company than Costco, as indicated by their assets. A more comparable measure of profitability than net income is return on assets. It's also called ROA. ROA indicates the amount of net income generated for each dollar that the company invests in assets. ROA is calculated by net income divided by average total assets. Average total assets, again, is the beginning total assets plus the ending total assets divided by 2. Do not take just the ending total assets. It's the average total assets. So if you look at Walmart and Costco, you'll see that when you take their respective net income divided by total average total assets, you'll see the return on assets is much closer, and Costco actually has a little bit larger of a return on asset. The ROA for Costco shows that it generates 7.7 cents of profit for every dollar of assets, whereas Walmart only generates 7.2 cents. You can then explore profitability further by separating return on assets into 2 additional components: profit margin and asset turnover. Profit margin is your net income divided by net sales. Asset turnover is net sales divided by average total assets. Profit margin indicates the earnings per dollar of sales. Asset turnover measures the sales per dollar of assets invested. So looking back at these two companies, you can see profit margin for Walmart and profit margin for Costco. Walmart does have a larger profit margin than Costco. Asset turnover, net sales divided by average total assets. You'll see that with asset turnover, however, Costco has a larger asset turnover than Walmart does. And that is the end of Chapter 7.